Hi, my name is Courtney, and I'm going to teach you how to ollie over a stick. What you're going to want to do first is get a stick of any size or shape, but make sure that it's light enough to skid if something goes terribly wrong, because otherwise your board may stop and you will go flying. I did that ollieing a 2x4 the other day, and it was not fun. Once you have your stick, ollie next to it a couple of times while moving. It may be best to practice with a crack beforehand. Either way, in both of these maneuvers, when approaching the target, bend your knees and keep your eyes locked on it, but sort of pretend it's not there. Pop the tail just as the nose is about to brush the object and ollie like normal, except try to keep your eyes on the object. Hopefully this should keep you in the air, but if not, keep your knees extra bent while airborne. There are of course a lot of stipulations and adjustments depending on how fast you're going and where you are, but that's the sport. It's up to you to find out what works best for you. Now obviously the most important thing is to keep practicing, and everyone gives the basic tips of pop, jump, and slide, but a couple of pointers that help me are very specific little things that make a big difference. The first one being bending your knees. The more you bend them, the more potential energy there is, which will help boost the board. The second one has to do with foot placement. Most people will say having your front foot closer to the back foot on the board will make you go higher. And while this is true, I also found out that I had a slight issue when first learning. I would always have my back foot on the very top of the tail, which restricted me from going higher and leveling out a bit more. So I choked up my back foot a little to have it an inch or two from the back bolts. This made a world of difference. Another thing is, when popping, there's a split second where the back foot should push back, making the board go fakie for a millisecond. This should help the board stay in the air longer. If you don't get it the first time, don't be put down. Keep at it and keep trying different variations and foot placements. Everybody's body is different, so everyone is going to have different centers of gravity on whatever board you skate. I hope you found some part of this helpful and took away something from it. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe.